Welcome to AutoCAD Mastery, a comprehensive course designed to take you from basics to professional drafting. This course covers mechanical, civil, architecture, electrical, and mechatronics applications. It is beginner-friendly, project-based, and portfolio-ready. Our course overview emphasizes drafting fundamentals leading to professional mastery. The learning journey includes a foundation tier, an advanced tier, an application tier, and mastering global standards like BIS, ISO, and ASME. Successful outcomes include becoming a certified CAD professional and being job-ready. Module 3 focuses on mechanical engineering, covering production drawings, GD&T, and sheet metal detailing. We utilize the AutoCAD mechanical toolset and standards like ASME 14.5. Many projects include shaft support brackets and exploded assemblies. Module 4 addresses civil engineering for infrastructure design and site planning. Key applications include site planning, transportation, structural layouts, and estimation. We cover WCS-UCS setup and plot styles, essential for infrastructure and real estate roles. Module 5 focuses on architecture with AutoCAD, covering design, documentation, and interior planning. You will learn to create floor plans, elevations, sections, and reflected ceiling plans. Tools include the AutoCAD Architecture Toolset and dynamic blocks to build a professional portfolio. Module 6 on electrical engineering focuses on power systems and controls. Key applications are single-line diagrams, schematic ladders, and panel layouts. We use the AutoCAD Electrical Toolset, standard symbol libraries, and automatic wire numbering. Module 7 covers mechatronics engineering, integrating mechanical, electrical, and control systems. Learn about robot cell layouts, fluid power, and safety systems. Key tools include parametric constraints and XREF coordination to design automation systems. Our student project showcase highlights real-world portfolio projects across all domains. Examples include a shaft support bracket assembly, residential site plan, 2 BHK apartment floor plan, LV panel GA, and robotic cell layout, making graduates portfolio ready. The core career path maps your journey from a trainee drafter to a design manager. Upskilling includes mastering tools like Revit, Civil 3D, and SolidWorks. Alternative avenues include freelance drafting and becoming a CAD administrator. This video shows the top companies hiring in India for AutoCAD professionals across industries. Major sectors include EPC and infrastructure, AEC and consulting, manufacturing, real estate, and MEP and HVAC. Job opportunities are diverse, spanning mechanical, architecture, civil, and electrical fields. Roles include mechanical draftsman, civil drafter, electrical CAD designer, and MEP coordinator. The course provides universal core skills for high-demand roles. The salary packages in India for AutoCAD professionals show growth potential. A fresher can expect 2.4 to 4.0 lakhs per annum, while a senior specialist can earn 8.0 to 15.0 plus LPA. Expertise in related software can further boost your salary. The learning pathway is a structured 6-step journey, starting with foundations and 2D mastery, advancing to toolsets and projects, and culminating in certification. We provide professional assets like templates and block libraries. Student success stories from the mechanical domain include Rohan Patel, who secured a junior CAD designer role at L&T, and Meera Shah, who became a sheet metal detailer at IOCL. Their project portfolios were instrumental in their success. In the architecture domain, Arjun Mehta secured a CAD intern position, utilizing advanced layer management and XREF techniques. Sana Desai, specializing in interiors, successfully used dynamic blocks and RCP sheets to secure a junior CAD technician role. Civil engineering alumni Priya Joshi and Harsh Parmar secured roles in construction and infrastructure, respectively. Their mastery of foundation detailing, cross-sections, and chainage commands gave them a competitive edge. Electrical engineering graduates Vivek Rao and Neha Trivedi are now panel drafter and controls CAD tech. Their success stems from in-depth knowledge of IEC symbols, panel GA standards, and PLC integration using AutoCAD Electrical. Master AutoCAD today and build your future. We offer classroom training, live online sessions, and weekend fast-track batches. Contact us via call, email, or apply online at the Baroda Institute of Technology.